Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to create some of the graphs that you're going to need for your music project. So to start out, you're going to need to make sure that your data is in a format that you can use. And in this video we're going to do minitab. If you don't have minitab, there'll be another video. So it looks like somebody has already translated the variable 1, which is YouTube views, but they still need to do that for the second person. So if it says 273 million, you need to add 6 zeros and get rid of the M. And remember that if it said like 12 billion, you would need actually 9 zeros to replace the B. So it looks like now our YouTube views are usable. Somebody's missing YouTube views over in person 3, so I can't use that piece of information. As far as the times go, you may need to convert those to seconds, but for this video, I'm going to just work with the YouTube views. So I'm going to copy them into minitab. Oops. Remember that if somebody has like NA in there, you can't use that. These have commas, but it looks like the commas are not included, so I think that's okay. Okay, and then I'll give it a title because then it will go, the title will go on my graphs. Okay, so I'm going to go to graph and histogram. Simple. Double click on it, and we'll just try OK, and we can adjust it if we have to. Histogram of YouTube views looks good. Frequency and YouTube views. So this is a usable graph. You can copy that and put that into your project. All right, the other graph that you're going to need to make is a probability distribution. And so for this one, you're going to go to graph and probability distribution. And usually you're going to want to go to view probability. This is the one for your solo slide, the slide that you're making all by yourself. And okay. All right, so in here you need the mean and the standard deviation, and you may have already found that in order to do SOCs on your histogram, but for now I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to go back and find the mean and standard deviation. So you go to stat, and basic statistics is at the top, and display descriptive statistics is at the top. And YouTube views, under statistics, you really just need the mean and the standard deviation. You can uncheck the rest of this. Okay, and so you're going to need those numbers. Okay, so I'm going to go back to graph, probability distribution, view probability. And I'm going to put in my mean, which I copied, and then the standard deviation I'm going to have to type, and because I knew I couldn't see it over here, I also copied it down here. Then for shaded area, you want to shade it by X value, and if you choose the left tail, that will show the percentage that your number is better than. And then the X value is coming from your song. So I'm going to go back to get my song. And here's my song right here, Hold You Down. I'm going to copy that. Put it there. Okay, and I need to get rid of the commas. Okay, so in the distribution plot, I can see that this is the mean, and this is my song. My song is going to have more views than 10.76% of the songs. And at the top, it says distribution plot, so I can probably change these titles. At the bottom too, I'm going to double click on it and then double click. So this would be YouTube views instead of X. And okay. And then up here, also I would put YouTube views. And then I can copy this into my my slide for my song. And that should be it for the minitab graphs.